All right guys, so today we're going to be testing the inlet and outlet NOx sensors on this 2023 Mack Anthem. The customer came in with both inlet and outlet NOx sensor faults, heater operation failure, and open circuit. So we have our Proformance NOx Sensor Tester tool on here. We're going to go ahead and run a test on the outlet first, and we're going to see what we got. So as you guys know, the app, super convenient, super easy to use. We're connected with our Bluetooth. We have the green button on the bottom of the NOx sensor, green light, NOx test, auto detection, confirm, identified outlet NOx sensor, power supply normal, so we're good to go there. We'll start our test. All right guys, so our test is complete here. As you can see, our NOx sensor passed. So we can generate that report. 2023 Mack Anthem for the customer. Confirm. So now we have that PDF saved. So when we're completely done with the job here, we can give that to the customer so he has visual proof that his NOx sensor was operational. And if you guys were wondering how simple this is to make your connections on, you just use a little pigtail harness here. On this specific Mack, the 2023s, you're able to weave this in there without unbolting the actual NOx sensor module. Simple connection. As you guys know, there's a couple different options here, so we did have to use the Mack NOx sensor plug. The inlet NOx sensor on these we do unbolt just because we don't want to pinch our pigtail harness too hard in there. Connected, clip secured. Still connected on our NOx sensor tester tool. So as you guys can see here, that temperature status not available. This was the specific NOx sensor that had that heater fault as well. So that would match perfectly if our temperature status is not available. That internal heater in the NOx sensor is not activating. So the software is reading correctly. All right, our test results are complete. As you can see, the NOx sensor test is abnormal, which means, unfortunately, the customer does have a bad inlet NOx sensor. Now, a few reasons as to why we like to use this tool and to why this tool is so efficient. Yes, with the OEM software, you are able to run an SCR efficiency test and find that conversion efficiency correct. But instead of charging the customer up to an extra 3 hours of labor to run that test, with this tool, we're able to get this done in about 5 to 10 minutes, not including taking the NOx sensors off if applicable. We really like this tool. We use this tool here a lot. If you guys are interested in this tool, you can check it out at proformanceusa.com and you can get one for yourself along with our ProLink tool as well.